Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can start selling on Whatnot. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Whatnot. Okay, and then you have the first website, so you just have to tap on this one. So if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up using your Google account or any account. Okay, so after that, you have here your account section. So just tap on it and you'll be able to see here these options. So we have refer friends. So you can refer the Whatnot to your friends and get rewards. And then can also become seller. And then you have your payments and shipping, save bids and offers, purchases, and then the health of your account. So here, since we want to sell here on Whatnot, what you're going to do here is to tap on the become a seller option. After that, right here, you just have to choose your category. So which category will you sell and most often? So I can always add more later. For example, we have here sports cards, men's fashion, electronics, or sneakers and sweetwear, and then jewelry. So here, maybe I'm just going to select men's fashion. Then after that, tap on the next option at the bottom. So here for which subcategory will you sell in most? So we have here men's vintage clothing, we have men's modern, sports apparel, and etc. So I'm just going to select the sports apparel and tap on next. Okay, and then here, what best describes you? So if you're an individual, so here you're just selling under your name, not as a registered business, so select that one. And where they sell or promote your inventory today. So if you have social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and etc. So for example, this one. All right, and tap on the next option. And how do you promote your items? So yeah, since we chose the social media, I'm just going to select TikTok. That's right. And then here you can add your TikTok URL. Okay. And then after that, tap on next. And what is your average monthly revenue? So how much revenue do you make from all your sales during a typical month? So they're going to use this info to tailor rewards programs that fit your size and your goals. So for example, less than $1,000 a month. And then tap on next after that. Okay, and then how big is your team? So it's just me. I'm just going to select that one and tap on next. And how much time could you and or your team go live each week? So maybe about 1 to 2 hours would do. And then tap on next. And then what is your return address now? And as you can see right here, after that, you have been added to the wait list. So here you can see this note. Thank you for your interest in joining the Whatnot Seller community. We are excited about your enthusiasm to expand your business with us. So while we are currently not onboarding sellers in your country, the Whatnot is growing quickly and onboarding new markets on an ongoing basis. So we'll be sure to reach out as soon as we are ready. So since the Whatnot seller is not available in the Philippines, of course, we cannot proceed to the next step. But if you are from a region where the Whatnot seller is available or your country is eligible for this feature of the Whatnot, then you can successfully create your account. So what we're going to do here is just to explore the streams. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so here on Whatnot, you'd be able to see here different accounts who are doing live, because that's how selling works here. Okay, so for example, we have here this for sports card, since we selected those categories when we created our account. So here I'm just going. So of course, if you want to pursue and becoming a seller and Whatnot, you have to know your niche. Okay, so you have to focus on what you're good at: collectibles, toys, fashion, beauty, thrifted finds, and etc. So buyers trust the sellers who clearly know their category. And of course, you have to set up good lighting plus clear cameras. So presentation is everything. So you have to make sure that your items are well lit and your camera is steady so buyers can see details clearly. And you can also start with competitive prices. So since you're new, pricing fairly helps you attract first-time buyers and build trust and engage with your audience. So you can talk to reviewers, read the comments. You can also joke around if you want to and thank them. So people buy more to sellers they feel connected to. You can also ship fast and pack neatly. So good packaging and quick shipping lead to positive reviews. Super important for growing your account. So you have to be honest as well about the item conditions. So if there are flaws, you have to mention them. Transparency keeps your customers coming back. And yeah, be consistent with your schedule. You can set regular live to show time so viewers know when to expect you. And you have to promote your whatnot on social media. So you can post your teasers on TikTok, IG, Facebook, and etc. So more eyes, more sales. You can also use giveaways wisely. So you can small giveaways during lives can boost the engagement and bring more viewers. And of course, stay energetic. So even with low viewers, everyone starts small. So you can keep the energy and professionalism so your vibe can attract your loyal buyers. Okay, so you have to take note of that. Okay, so here when we tap on the free option, we'll be able to see here the different lives, and we have here this gift icon at the top. So if we want to refer this the whatnot to our friends, then we can just tap on this one. Okay, so you can also build hype before you go live. So you can post sneak peeks of items. So you can show bundles or tease rare pieces. So you can use captions like dropping tonight at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., or 10 p.m. to drive traffic. Okay, you can also offer bundles or deals. So people love feeling like they're getting value. So examples, buy two, get one free, or free shipping on orders over this amount, and bundle mystery box. So becoming a successful seller on Whatnot takes consistency, personality, and professionalism. So when you combine clear product presentation, honest communication, engaging live streams, and reliable shipping, you build trust and trust turns viewers into loyal buyers. So again, to become a more effective seller on Whatnot, just remember you have to stay consistent with your streams, keep your audience engaged, provide clear product details, and always deliver great customer service. Those small habits can really set you apart and help your shop to grow. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.